Hello, I'm Mckenzie Nash, and I'm a licensed professional counselor and founder of the Heart to Heal Incorporated. Over the past decade, I have been providing mental health services to some of the most vulnerable members of the community. Here's a few things that I've learned. Having a sense of connection with others is important to one's well being. Helping others can take a toll on one's own mental wellness, and many people that are experiencing mental distress do not utilize the supports that are available to them. Now, why are these things important? A recent study by Independence Blue Cross stated that 92% of millennials reported COVID has had a negative impact on their mental health. And even before that, a third of millennials reported to be suffering from mental health connections. We're not connected with other people. Major depression, substance use, and alcohol use are three of the top conditions adversely affecting the millennial population, leading to mental distress. The study further reveals that African Americans and communities of color are among the most vulnerable due to factors like lack of cultural understanding, stigma, and barriers to accessing the mental health specialists. Many of our most vulnerable people are not getting the help that they need. Shear Balance is an initiative being developed to increase access to mental health service supports to vulnerable populations by bringing them to salons and barbershops. So why there? Salons and barbershops are an integral part of the community, especially among community of color. That and the fact that 41% of people in the beauty and grooming business are millennials. A recent study conducted by the University of Arkansas Medical Science College of Public and Health revealed that salons and barbershops have been effective in improving mental health in African American communities. For decades, so stylists and barbers have served as unofficial therapists to the community, but they've never received any formal mental health or crisis intervention training. Funding received from the Well City Challenge will be utilized to train stylists and barbers in mental health first aid. Mental health first aid is an evidence-based international training program that teaches individuals how to identify, understand, and respond to signs of mental illness and substance use disorders. The goal of Shear Balance is to leverage the connection stylists and barbers have with the community to improve the attitudes and perceptions of mental illness. There's a unique opportunity to increase access to mental health supports by reaching millennials in the places they already deem safe and through people they already have connections with. This initiative equips those trusted people with the skills to be able to effectively help support clients manage their mental health while navigating these uncertain times. Again, this is Sheer Balance, and thank you for listening.